Greetings everybody and welcome to St Alban TV. Today is a bit of a somber note because there's a tragic incident where a 50-year-old woman, was shot dead during a church service in Falmouth, Trelawny. According to Loop News, the gunmen continued to show their scant regard for life locally and entered into a church where a woman was shot dead during the Sunday morning service, which was earlier on today. The deceased has been identified as Andrea Lowe-Garwood, an employee of National Commercial Bank in Trelawny. Police have confirmed that the murder occurred at Agape Christian Fellowship Church in the parish on Sunday morning. There is a video of the recording that has and is circulating across social media, where shots can be heard being fired during singing of a hymn. And then you can hear cries of those who are in the recording, and they cannot contain their, I don't know what to call that, contain their shock and sadness. That a fellow member of their church has just been shot dead in literal broad daylight, which is really strange. Jamaica has been experiencing a sharp rise in murders since the beginning of the year. And let's listen, people, the year has only just started. We're in the 31st day of the year in January. So recently, Jamaica has been listed as the most murders that have been committed in the Caribbean and Latin America by Insight Crime 2020 Homicide Roundup, which was released only on Friday. This shows just how far we've sunk into the sin as a country, where our young men feel they are going to be held in high esteem if they enter a church and commit a murder. We are so devastated by this. It is a wicked, callous act, but as Christians, we know our God is real, and anybody who desecrates his house shall meet a bitter end, one of the church members told the newspaper over the phone. Indications are that Lowe-Garwood was praying in church when a man who was seated directly behind her opened fire, hitting her many times. The shooter escaped in a white Toyota motor car, but reports left behind a cell phone, which investigators are now hoping there will be some clues to what's happened. I don't know what to say. I'm actually flabbergasted by actually reading this kind of news, especially after a report of the high murder rate in Jamaica that's happening right now. I can only hope that the police and the investigators will do their best to ensure that this killer is found. I don't know where you're safe. If you're not safe in church, I don't know where you could be safe. If you're not, it just doesn't make sense to me. That news has just come in that 3 people are in custody following this morning's brutal killing of Andrea Lowe-Garwood at the Agape Christian Fellowship Church in Falmouth. The identities are being withheld pending further investigations. One of the individuals in custody is the stepson of the deceased. Wow, people. We'll keep you posted and update if any more information does come through. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to comment, like and share. Thanks for listening. Thanks for tuning in to St Alban TV. Take care now. Be safe.